an adverb from the adjectives. Before starting our lesson, let's check it first. When I say class, you say yes, this means pay attention. When I say meter, you say meter. This means you have to repeat after me with gestures. When I say teach, you say okay, this means you have to teach me what you love. Let's get started. What is an adverb? Adverb describes verb, adjective, other adverb, or whole sentences. Meter. Adverb describe verb, adjective, other adverb, or whole sentences. Can you teach me? Teach. Adverb describe verb, adjective, other adverb, or whole sentences. Well done. Let's see. Slow, beautiful, beautifully. Adjective, beautiful. Adverb, beautifully. Slow, slowly. Slow is an adjective, slow is an adverb. So to make an adverb, added ly to the adjective. Plus, bitter. To make an adverb, added ly to the adjective. Beautiful, beautifully. Slow, slowly. Teach. To make an adverb, added ly to the adjective. Beautiful, beautifully. Slow, slowly. Well done. So let's see an example. Subject and verb. She is a beautiful dancer. So beautiful dancer, adjective beautiful, describe a noun. Dancer. She dances beautifully. The adverb beautifully describe verb. Let's see other example. He is a slow swimmer. He swims slowly. As you see, slow adjective describe a noun, swimmer. Slowly adverb describe verb, swim. Okay, so let's check the rule. There are 3 rules. Okay, first one, rule 1. P is consonant. A, E, I, O, U vowel. P is consonant. When if the adjective finish with consonant Y, drop the Y, add it I-L-Y. Class, either. Rule 1. If the adjective finish with consonant and Y, drop the Y, add it I-L-Y. Happy, happily. Busy, busily. Well done. Rule 2. Early, late, hard, fast. They can be an adjective or adverb. Either early, late, hard, fast. They can be an adjective or adverb. Can you teach me? Teach. Early, late, hard, fast. They can be an adjective or adverb. Well done. What about rule 3? Good is irregular. Good, well. Can you teach me? Teach. Good is irregular. Good, well. So we can say he's a good singer. He sings well. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye.